Once upon a time, in a magical world, lived a small, shy creature called Niffler. Niffler was not like other creatures. He had a long, slender body and a short, stubby tail. But what made Niffler truly unique was his ability to find and store treasures. One day, Niffler heard about a group of shimmering gems hidden deep within the Enchanted Forest. The gems were said to have the power to grant any wish. Intrigued, Niffler decided to embark on an adventure to find these magical gems. With a determined look in his eyes, Niffler ventured into the forest. He walked for hours, crossing streams, climbing hills, and navigating through thickets. Along the way, he met many friendly creatures who offered help and advice. Finally, after what felt like days, Niffler reached a clearing where the shimmering gems were supposed to be. But instead of finding the gems, he found a group of grumpy goblins guarding them. "These gems are ours," the leader of the goblins shouted. "No one can have them." Niffler was scared, but he remembered the advice of the creatures he had met on his journey. "Be brave, Niffler," they had said. "Remember, you have a special talent." With a deep breath, Niffler showed the goblins his unique ability. He crept closer, his body glowing with excitement. As he reached for the gems, the goblins were too distracted by his glowing aura to stop him. With a quick twist and a turn, Niffler managed to gather all the shimmering gems in his pouch. With a happy hop, he skipped away from the goblins, leaving them stunned and confused. Niffler returned home, his heart pounding with excitement. He held the gems up to the moonlight, and they sparkled beautifully. He had done it. He had found the shimmering gems and outwitted the grumpy goblins. That night, Niffler made a wish. He wished that he could share his treasure with all the creatures in the magical world. And just like that, the shimmering gems began to glow, filling the world with their magic. From that day on, Niffler was no longer shy. He became a beloved figure in the magical world, known for his bravery and kindness. And whenever someone needed help, Niffler was always there, ready to use his unique ability to find and share treasures. The end.